Hi there, it's Moana Robinson here from Be Styled for Life, author of Be Styled for Life, Living with Sass and Style After 50. I attended Natasha Denman's half-day workshop in May 2019 and I've just sent my book in for layout in October 2019. I can't express enough how worthwhile it was going to the half-day workshop. Natasha Denman covered absolutely everything. After the workshop, I spoke to Stuart and asked him some more questions that I had, and he answered them perfectly. If you're a business owner, no matter how busy your business is or how busy your life is, don't wait until all your ducks are in a row or all the stars are lined up if you want to write a book. I had a book inside me that I wanted to write, and I'm so pleased that I attended the half-day workshop where I had all my questions answered. I highly recommend it. Just don't hesitate. Go to the workshop. You'll be so pleased you did.